Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we all know that dash cams are really important nowadays in order to protect yourself in some difficult situations. But lot of people ask like, is there any way to avoid this cost? Can you do something there so that you don't have to pay for it? I can tell you that cost almost negligible for most of you. I would tell you the reason why and I'll explain. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please first go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, the technique I'm gonna tell you in this video is actually not a dash cam, but something that is gonna turn into a dash cam, right? So most of us would have at least two smartphones nowadays, right? You may have something older that you are no longer using, or you may have multiple phones. So I have seen some people, what they do, they have converted their cell phones into dash cams. Yes, there are apps that are available to download. If you use that app and run it while driving, you don't even have to have the camera running at the background of your uh, phone. It is doing internally and it is recording the clips for you. And there are holders that you can attach in your car based on the position and other things, and you can use your cell phone to capture. And once you charge your phone, you know how long it's gonna go ahead, right? And moreover, you can also connect it with a cable from your car battery, so that when you're driving, your phone is actually getting charged. And depending upon the storage capacity of your phone, it can store like long files, like long clips, right? It is all possible. So if you have not explored this idea, you can do. But yes, there are pros and cons of everything. And one disadvantage that I see, although you may have a very good cell phone covering a wide angle with a very good quality of camera, the biggest disadvantage I see is that you may not be able to record the rear component. That is also really important. And I always recommend to have both the components present over there. So this is what I want to tell in this video, but you can give it a try if you want to. Thanks for watching this guys, and I'll keep you guys updated.